in this presentation, we are discussed about that compressor. Compressor is normally used to, compressor is a device, it's normally used to compress the air or gas from low pressure to high pressures. It will be used to power plant and refrigeration plant and number of industries. So the compressed gas is used for many applications of industries. So it is having, that is a number of classification of compressor. So it have to, according to the number of stages, a single stage compressor and multi-stage compressor. According to the number of cylinders, it having a single cylinder and compressor and a multi-cylinder compressor. According to method of cooling, and air-cooled compressor and a water-cooled compressor. According to the working condition, so that is a reciprocating compressor and a rotary compressor. So that is a reciprocating compressors further classified in the single cylinder compressor and multi-cylinder compressor. Rotary compressor we have further classified into two different types. One is a positive displacement type, another one is a non-positive displacement type. So that is a positive displacement means that is air is compressed adiabatically and it will be taking as that is adiabatically. So that it's a air flow surrounded with a flow or back flow. It will be taking as a flow and back flow. That's a both front and back. That's a flow of process will be taking here. So that's a front, both the process means that is a front flow means that is a back flow means only for screw compressors, example. So that is a both, that is a flow and back flow means that is a vane compressor we have considered. So non-positive displacement means that is a non-positive displacement of compressor we are using that is having non-surrounding part, non-surrounding flow, non-surrounding surface. So having that is a steady flow of compressor, there is a flow of gas without affecting any disturbance, without disturbance, it will be taking as a uniform flow will be created. Next is that is a working of a single stage compressor. That is a working of the single stage compressors. So here we have shown to be here that is a actual indicated diagram and cylinder piston arrangement diagram to be shown to be here. So that is a first three cylinders having a suction stroke, explain the suction stroke and remaining two for that's a compression stroke. That is a compression stroke. So normally that is a compressor operate on a two stroke cycles. So that's a first stroke means that is a to C, A, B, C, that is a first stroke. And second stroke means C, D, A, that is a second stroke type. The piston withdraw the causing of air clearance from the clearance volume to expand. And when the pressure is a cylinder has fallen below the atmospheric pressure, and the inlet valves open and air is drawn into a cylinder with the remainder stroke. So for example, for here to be shown to be here, so that is a clearance volume to be here. So when the piston moves from the top dead center to bottom dead centers, so it will be both the valves are closed. Suction valve and discharge valves are closed. When the combustion cylinders take place, inside of the cylinder takes place below the atmospheric pressure, at the time that is allow the pressure, then point B, it will be taking as a expansion stroke will be taking place. At the point B will be taking as a below the atmospheric pressure, So at the time open the, and after that piston below the atmospheric pressure, further the piston moves towards the direction. So at the time only that valve will be open, that is a suction valve will be open. Further the movement of the piston up to the bottom dead centers. So further the piston moves towards the topward direction, that is a compression stroke will be taking place. So the both valves are closed, So when it taking as that is above the atmospheric pressure, the cylinder pressure reaches, both the valves are closed. When the cylinder pressure reaches atmospheric pressure, when both the valves are closed, when the cylinders, both the valves are closed. So yeah, when the cylinders, that cylinder having taking as, when the cylinders having above the receiver pressure, that is a tank having greater than the receiver pressure, the receiver tank having some of the pressures. So when the piston, cylinders having the reaches the above the receiver pressure, at that time the valve will be open, that is a discharge valve will be open to the atmosphere, discharge valve will open to the atmosphere, open to the receiver tank, that is open, and flow, and the gas is flowed to the receiver tank. So next is, it is called as a, next, that is a it will be taking as a actual diagram, actual indicated diagram, total area of India, actual indicated diagram represent the actual work of the compressor on the gas or air. So the areas P2 and above P2 and below P1 represent the work done become a pressure drop through the wall or pore passages. It is called as the wall losses. So the both expansion and compression supposed to follow the same law of PV power N equal to C. PV power N equal to C. The small quantity of air pressure, high air pressure in the clearance volume expand to VA, and the air drawn during the suction stroke is VB to VB minus VA. That is the difference of VB minus VA. So this is the working principle of single stage air compressor. So now discussed about that work done for the work done of single stage air compressor. So we have considered for the work done in two different cases. So we have calculated for work done without clearance volume and with the clearance volume. So now we have discussed about the without clearance volume. First initially we have discussed about the without clearance volume. So here shown to be here, that is a with the clearance volume diagram, the diagram to be showed. So the work done is process 1, 2, 3, 4. We have considered for the first area. The second to be considered, that is a 230A. 230A. That is the area to be considered. So last one is the 140B. So that is a area to be 3 area to be considered. That is a area. This is a 123 area plus addition of 230A with separating of 140B. So that is called as a net work done. And the next is that is a for that 1, 2, 3, 4 is right up. We can write that is a P2 V2 minus P1 V1 and divided by n minus 1. And similarly, that is a we have write as P2 V2 minus P3 V3 and subtract with that is a process, that is a P1 V1 minus P4 V4. So you know that is a V3 equal to V4. So that is a volume will be 0 here itself. That is a volume will be 0. There is no clearance volume. So that is a volume is 0. So you have put as a V3 and V4 to be 0 to be here. V3 0 and V4 to be 0 to be here. So that is a simplification. That is a P2 minus P1 and P2 minus P2 V2 minus P1 V1. That is a so the work done simplification, further simplification, that is a P2 V2 minus P1 V1 1 divided by n minus 1 plus 1. So next one is that is the work done. You know that further simplification you write as n divided by n minus 1 P2 V2 minus P1 V1. So here that is P2 V2 equal to MRT1 MRT2 and P1 V1 equal to MRT2. So that is a simplification of that is a MR is a common in both. So that is a MR to be taken outside. That is a temperature difference T2 minus T1. That is a work done equal to simplification n divided by n minus 1 MR T2 minus T1. So that is a further it is a simplified, that is a T2 by T1 minus T1. That is a multiplied by the T1. That is a both side multiplied and divided by T1. So it is a simplification. That is a W equal to n divided by n minus 1 MRT1 in T2 by T1 minus 1. So that is a MRT1 temperature relationship. So you know that is a T2 and pressure relationship. You know that is a T2 by T1 equal to P2 by P1 whole to the power of n minus 1 by n. That is a temperature pressure relationship for the polytropic process. So using this temperature relationship, so that is a temperature to be removed by the pressure ratio. That is a pressure relationship to be placed in front of T2 by T1. So we get that W equal to n divided by n minus 1 and MRT1. So that is a further the pressure ratios n minus 1 divided by n and minus of 1. So if we go to the temperature relationship, that is again we have go to the P1 V1 means that is a MRT1. You know that MRT1 P1 V1 equal to MRT1. So that is a removed by the W equal to n divided n minus 1 P1 V1 P2 by P1 whole to the power of n minus 1 divided by n and minus 1. That is a final work done for the without clearance volume. So further you are taking as a work done for single stage air compressor with the clearance volume. So that is a process we have shown to be here. 1256, 1256 having one area. So that is a 3564 having this another area. So 1234, 1256 having some relationship. So this is similarly that is a 3564 having another one relationship. So we know that M1 equal to M2 and M3 equal to M4, and similarly there is a pressure P1 equal to P4. That is a finally we have simplified that is a P4 to be placed to be P4 instead of P4. That will be reduced by simplification by the Wn minus 1, that is a P1 V1 minus V4, and pressure relationship to be mentioned here. So that is previously you know that values. So that is a PV relationship equal to MRT1 relationship to be instead of that is a MR relationship to be shown to be here. So that is a final work done of the equations, that is a W equal to N divided by N minus 1 or M1 minus M4 or RT1 pressure relationship, or otherwise we can use this is the relationship also we can use. So here that is a P1 means that is a input pressure, that is a volume flow rate, and M equal to mass flow rate, M equal to mass flow rate, R equal to gas constant, and T1 is the temperature of the gas. So this is the with the clearance volume, it's a work done for the with the clearance volume. And similarly we have for that is a without clearance volume and with the clearance volume, without work done for with the clearance volume and without clearance volume. Only difference between that pressure ratios, but based on that volume. So without clearance volume we have known as volume is 0, but here we are using as that is a with the clearance volume to be shown to be that is a difference of volume to be mentioned here. That's the only difference between that with the clearance volume of the work done and without clearance volume of the work done of the single stage air compressor. So next we have discussed about that volumetric efficiency of air compression ratio. So this is the PV diagram that shows that volumetric efficiency PV diagram of the compressor. So the volumetric efficiency defined in the two forms. The one is the volume ratio, another one for mass ratio. The volumetric efficiency is defined in a volume ratio means it has the ratio between the volume of gas delivered as measured at atmospheric pressure and temperature by sept volume of the cylinders. Suppose you have in the term of mass ratio means is defined as the mass of gas delivered by the mass of gas delivered by the delivered and divided by the mass of gas which would be filled with the sept volume and atmospheric pressure and temperature. So this is the sum of the definition for the mass volume and mass ratio. So this is the actual volume is sucked in a cylinder during the suction stroke, always less than the sept volume, always less than the sept volume. So it is due to that that is the resistance offered by the inlet valve to the incoming air, temperature of incoming air, and back pressure of the residual gas in that clearance volume. So that the indicated diagram, the volumetric efficiency can be expressed in the term of the effective volume and piston displacement. So the following equations are shown in figure. That is the efficiency is nothing but that is a V1 minus V4 and V1 minus Vc. So it is further we have says that's V1 minus V4, that is a simplified you know that V1 equal to Vs plus Vc. So that is a term to be put here, Vs plus Vc minus V4, and similarly that is a you know that V1 equal to Vs plus Vc. So here V1 plus Vc minus V4 divided by Vs plus Vc minus Vc. So next we have expressed in the term of volume Vs plus Vc minus V4 divided by Vs, that is a simplification. After the simplification, that is we know that some of the simplified. So that is we have taking as a Vs separately, that is a Vs by Vs, that is a 1, and similarly that is a Vs Vc by Vs and minus V4 by Vs. So that is a Vs we have taking a separately. So after that, that is another simplification. That is this equation, that is and the equation is multiplied and divided by Vc at the right hand side. It will be multiplied by Vc, multiplied by the Vc. So here that is we have further term to be used. That is a simplification. So that is a, we know that introducing a, that's a C equal to VC, that is a C equal to VC by Vs, that is a C equal to VC. So that is a simplification, that is a VC by Vs into V4 by VC. So you know that that is a C, that is a term. We have says that a clearance ratio, that is a C. We have says that is a VC by Vs equal to clearance ratio. That a term is called as a C. Similarly, that is using VC, you know that VC equal to V3. So that is a further, you are using that further simplification. So that is a, you have, that is a C, you know that VC by Vs, replaced by VC by Vs in term of C. So that is a further simplification, that is a pressure ratio, you know that that is a P3 by P4 equal to V4 by V3, sorry, V4 by V3, you know that is some relationship, you know that. So using this relationship, so that is a P3 by P4, that is a V4 by V3, that is a replaced by P3 by P4, that equal to the power of 1 by n. So that should be where P3 equal to P2 and P4 equal to P1, that is a, you know that P3 equal to P2 and P4 equal to P1 from that pressure is constant at volume 1 and 4, that is a similarly, that is a here itself also, that is a 2, 3, that is a P3 equal to P2. So that is a, you have substitute to the further classification, further simplification, that P3 you are replaced by the P2 and P4 is replaced by P1. P4 is replaced by P1, that is a, you have further simplification. So next you have to take as a further simplification, you are considered as, that's a 1 minus P2 by P2 by P1 whole to the power of n, 1 by n in minus 1. So this is a final ratios. So here that is a P2 by P1, that is a ratio will be, pressure ratio is decreases, volumetric efficiency is also decreased.